Ford uses the North American International Auto Show in Detroit to unveil the 2019 Ranger that will go into production later this year. For sale in early 2019, it stems from the global Ranger sold and built elsewhere, but it is re-envisioned for this market with a more aggressive look and kinship to the F-150, designed and engineered in Australia for the US. It relies on North American parts and will be built in the retooled Michigan assembly plant. Ford now sees the Ranger buyer as different from the F-150 buyer. The Ranger owner is an urban dweller who drives his truck to work, not for work, and uses it to play on the weekend with his toys on the bed and back. It is not about affordability but more about size, scale, and fuel efficiency, says Eckert. Nor is it about chasing the competition. Expect former Ranger owners, new customers, and even F-150 owners who want to downsize gravitate to a truck that is easier to drive, park, and fit in the garage. It can be argued that the two nameplates have, since inception, been different enough to attract separate buyers with different needs. But what has indeed changed is that today's consumers continue to favor trucks and SUVs over cars. More car buyers are likely to gravitate to a smaller urban pickup as an alternative to an SUV, and these same buyers might never consider an F-150. The Ranger might never become the staple it once was on American roads, but Ford sees it as viable again. The 2019 Ranger will be offered with a single engine, the second-generation 2.3-liter twin-scroll turbocharged 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine with a forged steel crankshaft and Ford's new 10-speed automatic transmission. No manual, no specs are available yet, but the 2.3-liter gets 280 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque in the Ford Explorer.